All right, I'm going to show you how to post a link on your Instagram story. First, go into Instagram and tap to create a new story. I'll pick a photo here, and to insert a clickable link, we're going to first tap the little stickers menu, and within the stickers menu, there's an option to add a link. You'll get a URL field where you can either type or paste the link, so I'll paste mine in. Below that, you can add custom text that'll show on the sticker itself. So instead of displaying that messy raw URL, you can have some kind of call to action there that people can tap. Once you're done adding the link, tap Done, and there's your link sticker. You can drag to move it and pinch to resize it. From there, just proceed to share the story like normal. Once the story is live, people can tap that link and then confirm with a second tap to open the link. And that is how you post a link on your Instagram story. Click that like button down there if this video helped you, and subscribe for more easy guides like this one. Thanks all, until next time.